Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the best insights on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're taking a close look at a versatile handheld vacuum that claims to be a powerhouse when it comes to tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair. It's the handheld cordless vacuum with 15,000 PA of suction power, and it promises to make quick work of all kinds of messes around the house, in your car, or even on the go. But how does it really perform? Let's find out. This handheld vacuum is built to offer impressive performance with its 15,000 PA cyclonic suction, thanks to a 72,000 RPM high-speed motor. That's a lot of power packed into a small unit. But what does that mean for you in real-world terms? Well, the powerful suction ensures that it's not just picking up surface-level dust, but also deeply embedded dirt and pet hair. Whether it's your car seats, carpets, or tight spaces in the home, this vacuum's design promises to maintain its strength throughout your cleaning session. Its cyclonic technology helps keep that suction consistent, which means no worrying about suction loss midway through your cleaning task. In terms of cleaning versatility, this vacuum comes with multiple attachments, including a long nozzle, a brush suction nozzle, and an extended hose. These tools allow you to tackle everything from delicate surfaces like curtains and keyboards to those hard-to-reach corners under furniture. If you've ever struggled to clean those small gaps in your car or between couch cushions, you'll appreciate how easily this vacuum gets into those tight spots. One of the standout features here is the battery life. It's powered by a 78,800 mAh battery, which gives you up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime. That's plenty of time to clean your car, tackle spills in the kitchen, or give your home a quick refresh. Plus, it only takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge, which isn't bad for a vacuum with this much suction. And with a Type-C charging port, you've got the flexibility to charge it from just about anywhere, whether at home, in the car, or on the go. Now, let's talk about the filtration system. The vacuum is equipped with a dual filtration system featuring 2 replaceable HEPA filters and 1 washable metal filter. This setup is designed to keep suction consistent by minimizing dust clogging, so you won't have to worry about the vacuum losing power mid-clean. The filters work together to help maintain optimal suction, which is great for those who suffer from allergies or are sensitive to dust. The 400 milliliter dustbin is easy to empty, which is always a plus when you're cleaning multiple areas. On the design front, the vacuum weighs just 1.7 pounds, making it ultra-portable and easy to maneuver. Whether you're cleaning your car, your kitchen counters, or your office desk, this vacuum is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the smart lock feature allows for continuous cleaning without having to hold down the trigger. The top air outlet is also a nice touch, ensuring dust doesn't escape while you're cleaning. When it comes to performance, it truly shines on both hard floors and carpets, where it picks up everything from fine dust to pet hair with ease. The included attachments make it especially effective for cleaning in tricky areas, and the motor doesn't disappoint, keeping the suction powerful even as the dustbin fills up. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the 30-minute runtime is decent, it might feel a bit short if you have a large space to clean. Also, despite the relatively quiet operation, it's not completely silent, but it's certainly much quieter than some of the larger vacuums on the market. Now, as with any product, there are a few areas where this vacuum might not be for everyone. If you're dealing with a particularly large home, or if you're looking for a vacuum to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks regularly, you might find the battery life a bit limiting. That said, it excels in smaller spaces like cars and apartments. And for the price point, it's a solid choice. Looking at alternatives, if you're considering a cordless handheld vacuum in this price range, there are a few options worth comparing. For example, vacuums from brands like Black & Decker or Dyson have similarly strong suction, but tend to offer either a larger dustbin or slightly better battery life. However, those models can also be pricier, so it depends on whether you're willing to trade some extra battery life for the versatility and compact design of this model. In terms of build quality, the vacuum feels solid without being overly heavy. The materials are durable enough for regular use, though it might not be as rugged as some higher-end models. Maintenance is straightforward. Just clean the filters regularly, empty the dustbin after each use, and make sure the nozzle attachments are kept clear. In terms of value for money, this vacuum hits a sweet spot. It's affordable without sacrificing too much on performance or design. If you're someone who needs a lightweight, powerful vacuum for quick cleanups, especially in cars, offices, or small apartments, it delivers on its promise. The included attachments and solid suction make it a versatile tool, while the compact design ensures it won't take up much storage space. To sum it up, this handheld vacuum is perfect for people who need a compact, reliable vacuum for quick cleanups in a variety of settings. It's ideal for smaller homes, apartments, or car owners who want a vacuum that's easy to store and use. While it may not be the best fit for those needing longer runtime or more heavy-duty cleaning, it offers great performance at an affordable price. If you're looking for something to get into those tight spaces, tackle pet hair, and provide a solid clean without breaking the bank, this vacuum does a great job. And for those who want something that's simple to maintain and easy to handle, it really stands out. Thanks for watching, and remember to check the comments box below for more details on where you can get this vacuum. If you have any questions, or if you've already used this vacuum, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay clean and happy.